I'm Sarah Guest with Cyberlicious.
Ben Guest with Cyberlicious.
We are digital candy for sweet results. That's our tagline. And we view ourselves as helping business owners to create a cool online experience or sweeten up their online experience to help improve an interaction with their users online. We help you put in place measurement tools so that way you can measure all your online marketing efforts and make sure that you're getting the most bang for your buck. There's so many tools available that sometimes it's hard as a business owner to know where to invest your money and your time. And by implementing some of these measurement tools, you're better able to measure what you're doing, collect data, so that way you're making smart business decisions based on what actually works.
They're so used to chasing ROI, return on investment, they're not focusing on ROE, return on efforts. They think they need to post to Facebook every day. They think they need to write a blog entry every day. They think they need to write small blog entries, big blog entries. They're just throwing spaghetti on a wall to see if something sticks. You just don't have to do that anymore. So I say every business owner needs to come to our seminars because you don't know what you don't know.
Many of the things that you can walk away with are things you can go home and do on your own. There's baby steps. There's things you can go home and implement on your own. So if you don't have the money to invest now, at least there's some things at home that you can go home and do on your own if you're a solopreneur.
So that's the intelligence, that's the smartness that we want to bring to other businesses to help them understand. So they can start really tracking their ROE that reflects their ROI.
Any business owner that's interested in putting some money towards online marketing. If you're thinking about doing that, if you're considering doing it on your own, come to a lunch and learn.